Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a great summer drink, the Watermelon Mojito. We're going to make this drink right in the glass, and the first thing I'm going to add is my fresh ingredients. I've got a little bit of chunked pineapple. I'm going to put that watermelon, a little bit of chunked watermelon right in the bottom. I also have about 8 mint leaves. I'm going to put that in the bottom of the glass. Then I'm going to add 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. Then my watermelon syrup. And when I say mine, I mean mine. I made this. This is a homemade watermelon syrup. The recipe is here on the channel. I'll link it in the description down below. I'm going to put 1.5 ounces in, which is 45 milliliters of fresh watermelon syrup. And now I'm going to muddle it. The goal is not to crush it's to crush the watermelon, but not necessarily to crush the mint leaves. We're just trying to release the juices. So a gentle muddle. Add some ice. Then 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Wow. This is my big Colin glass. As you can see, this is going right to the top. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of club soda. Not getting much in there, but we're going to enjoy it anyway. Now, if you want, you can sneak a spoon or something down towards the bottom and slowly pull some of the ingredients up. Sometimes when I'm being fancy, I leave all the ingredients at the bottom so it has this nice gradation. Still kind of has one. Straw. And garnish. For garnish, I'm going to use a couple sprigs of mint, whap it on my hand, wake it up because it's been sleeping on the job, and a little lime wheel, pre-cut. And there you have it, Watermelon Mojito. Drink with good spirits.